Everyone, my name is John. I'm doing a trading recap of my week with the 13 Market Moves formula team, Coach Brandon, Coach Chris. All right, let's get it going. So Friday, I closed out all old positions that I had before I started working with Coach Brandon. And we opened up a SPY position, 50 puts, 441 puts. All right, 441 puts, 50. I'm actually 50 in the beginning, and then we added another 50, and had 100 441 puts. All right, we started to build a position right here, and in anticipation of a gap down over the weekend. We were right, but there was a choppy day on Monday, and this trade didn't work out. We needed an extra couple days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This trade would have killed it, but this one just didn't work out. So we took a loss here of 4,780. All right, next trade was Novax. So Novax, we had 10 220 puts at $5.35. Sold them for $15.25. You can see here the green arrows and the red arrows is where we got in and where we got out. This was a quick one, in and out. 9:35 we opened the position on Tuesday. We were out by 10:18 for a nice profit of almost 10 grand, 9,900. 20 contracts traded. All right, next one was MU. This is an earnings play. We got about 70 contracts, and we were stair-stepping in. Right here is the daily chart. I believe we touched about 69 at one point. So, stair-stepping in 70 contracts. Started over here at 10:30 on Monday for $1.16, $1.17, $1.11, $1.22. We're profitable, we're adding some more, and we sold it at a nice 2.30. All right, next trade here I got is Asml. All right, Asml was a profit of 7,100 with 10 contracts traded. With 20 contracts traded altogether, we purchased 10. Started in that position on Wednesday at about 10:30. These were all bought in one shot at 690. Sold for 14, 100% profit. We sold it within an hour and 15 minutes. And we used these profits to add to other positions. Next trade we got here is a loss of 35.75, 102 contracts. This is futures options. That was my first time trading futures options. Wow, that was insane. This is completely my fault. This had nothing to do with any of the guidance from the 13 Market Moves formula. This trade, at the very least, should have been up about 25,000. The reason why it wasn't is because I fell asleep. So I messed this one up. The trade started over here at 7 p.m. where we bought 25 contracts. And I was up till about 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, but I had gotten up at 5 a.m. that day, and I went to lay on a couch just to take a quick breather, and I fell asleep. This position was up the entire night, anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000. It was just, I was exhausted. It was my fault completely. This would have been another 25 minimum. I think it probably could have been more had I been able to stay up and troop it through the night. All right, next trade was Wayfair. Wayfair, we started on September 30th. This one took a little bit to kick in. It was towards the end of the day on Friday that the trade was profitable. So We got in 1053 on Thursday at an average of about 350-ish, it looks like here. And we sold for 610 and 650. We were collecting profits little by little here. Actually, this was sold in one shot. This was just, we had two fills, one at 650 and one at 610. Profit 82.88. As you can see, us building our position here, selling on the next day. ASML, we did this one twice. Jumped in on this one Wednesday. Average price of $8.20. Sold it at $10 so we could take those funds and continue to build our mRNA position. This one I could have sold for maybe $20 if I had waited a little longer. But you know, it's all good. It happens. But the reason why you keep a journal like this is so you could write down what happened. So I'm gonna put in my notes exactly what went wrong with this trade after reviewing the charts, and that's how you get better. mRNA, this was the big one right here. $47,270. Started our position here on on Tuesday and Wednesday. It was 82 contracts traded, so we had about 41. This trade was a bit slow to hit, and once it hit, it was incredible. This was by far the best trade that we took that week. So 47,270. It was incredible. Incredible week, incredible guidance from the team. Just extremely thankful, you know, that we were able to have such a phenomenal week. So let's add these up real quick. I can give you exact numbers, but it was about 70 grand. So we got a loss of 4,780, a gain of 9,900, 5,877, 7,100, a loss of 3,575, but again, that was completely my fault. A gain of 82.88, another 1,800, and 47,270. I fucked that up. The last one I fucked up. 4780 plus 9,900 plus 5,877 plus 7,100 minus 3,575. Oh, hey Noah.
Hey Noah.
Plus 82.88 plus 1,800 plus 47,270 is $71,880. That's my week with 13 Market Moves formula, taking 30 grand, making it into 100,000.